Start by clicking on the dark film frame. Click on Position at the top of the menu, then click Backward. This will move the image placeholder to the top later so you can add your image. Next, click on the instant film frame and repeat the same step. Now, go to your uploaded images or image folder in Canva to select a photo. Then drag it over the placeholder images to place them inside. Double-click the image inside the placement to slide over and adjust the crop. Then click on each image, go to Position at the top of the Canva menu, and select Backward. This will move the image behind the film frames to complete the panel customization. Repeat these steps for each panel with placeholder images. You may need to click backward several times, depending on how many film frames are on that panel. Notice that every placeholder image is moved above the film frame layer before proceeding. Then add your photos into the placeholder images. Once your images are in place, click Position at the top and move the film frames to front over your photos. For panels with single image placeholders, simply drag your photo into the placeholder and adjust the placement of your image as needed. Again, double-click the image and slide it to the desired crop. Be careful in placing your image where you are moving your photo on the template, so you don't drop your image into the wrong area of the template. If this happens, simply click the back arrow. The back button, or undo button, looks like a sideways U with an arrow. It is located at the top of the Canva menu. You can also adjust a photo within a placeholder image to make your photos larger or smaller. Drag the corner anchor of a photo out, then slide the photo over to the desired placement or crop. On film strip frames that are cut off at the top and bottom of the frames, you can choose to double up the photos, where only a portion of that image will be shown, giving the appearance of a sequence of shots. Scroll through all the panels to make sure you have not duplicated any photos, and make adjustments or edits as needed. Don't forget to move the film frames to the backward position before adding your replacement photos, and bring the position of the film frame back to front. On the back panel, be sure to remove the placeholder logo and drop in your studio logo to replace it. A transparent PNG of your logo is best. Change the text to your studio address, or remove this text if you wish. You can do this by clicking on the address, then click Delete on your keyboard. Edit the contact information, change the phone number and website address to complete your template customizations. Lastly, you will download your Accordion card so you can upload it to the printer. Click Share at the top of the Canva menu. Select Download. Change file type to JPEG. Set size to maximum and the quality to large. Be sure all pages are selected under the drop-down. Click Done, then click Download. You are now ready to upload your Accordion card template to the printer.